Freya, it's your turn to be pampered soon.
I know. But the waiting dog's time is so long.
Errol, why aren't you eating?
This isn't organic. And the serving dish is pretty modest. I'm a YouTube star after all.
Mom, why are the dogs barking?
There was only a helicopter in the sky.
Maybe I should bark a little too.
Nellie is scared at the window. The reason has been found.
I was just leaving.
It wasn't me.
Liars.
Thank you, Kiara, for not drinking from my water mug this time.
Wait until you turn your head.